Turning the engine T63. All turning good, and on the front all looks good, as you can see. No damage, no broken. On this side all looks good as well. I didn't see any damage. Compressor looking good, and windows looking quite so. No water, no damage. And on the top all looks good, no damage, no broken. All connectors looks good. And on this side all looks like so. The gearbox looking good. On this side all looks like so. Starter looking good, and underneath all looks good, no damage, no broken. Turning the engine T63. Thank you.